Thank you for choosing Oyster for your loan worker solutions. We have been a trusted supplier now for over 14 years to many companies, and we're proud of our partnership with you. We're here to help you get the most out of the solution and service, helping to ensure the safety of you and your team. Your employer is taking health and safety seriously and all the laws placed on them as an employer, so it's important we all get the most from the service. Oyster Loan Worker is a fully managed service, providing you with a device to assist you in your protection with the aid of a 24/7 support network. The Oyster Loan Worker service includes a loan worker device, SIM card with airtime, and service desk. Designed to look like a digital watch, the Oyster On Hand works like a regular watch, with date, day and time display. The Oyster On Hand allows two-way communication, just like a mobile phone, as well as providing accurate GPS location data. The date and time display is on the face of the Oyster Hand. The SOS button is the silver button, located on the right-hand side of the device, just below the SIM slot. The speaker is hidden near the strap of the Oyster On Hand, with a microphone found near the side of the strap. To turn on your Oyster On Hand, simply press and hold the button on the left-hand side of the device. After a few seconds, a welcome screen will appear. From time to time, the screen will switch itself off to save power. This is normal. Just press the button again to reactivate the display. In an emergency situation, you can make an SOS call from your Oyster in hand by pressing the silver button on the right-hand side of the device, and then the call will automatically be raised with the alarm receiving center. If the SOS has been made in error, just press the silver button again and the call will be cancelled. If calls are allowed to specific numbers, then you use the right-hand side buttons located above and below the silver SOS button. This takes you to the contacts list where you can pick a contact to call. And then the Oyster On Hand allows hands-free two-way voice communication so you can speak and be heard. There are two ways to charge the Oyster On Hand. Either place your Oyster On Hand onto the docking station or connect the magnetic cable to the back of the device. When putting the device on charge, you'll see some gold dots on the top of the watch. You should align these with the dots on the cradle. Aim to charge the watch on a daily basis to keep it powered up.